hate them little motherfuckers.
Almost got it.
They got a long way to go. You almost there.
Yeah, it's nothing like that.
What's up, YouTube? We back on the Malibu. What we doing in this video? Doing quite a few little things. I done C-notching the frame, doing an anti-roll bar and some coilovers. I've already welded in the plate. We've already cut the frame back and welded in the plate on this side. We got the frame cut out on this side, and I still got to weld the plate in. And I've got the anti-roll bar tacked in with some 2x4 square tubing. And this is going to benefit two ways. This 2x4 square tubing is going to act as a brace since we cut out and cut the frame back. And it's also going to square up the rear end to keep this car doing, you know, the famous G-body shuffle. And then we're also going to put another piece of metal in front of it and go across so we can do the coilovers. So everything is just tacked in right now. We just want to see, just got a couple of tacks there, 2 tacks there, 2 tacks there, you know, just to set everything up. This piece right here will sit on top of the frame like this, you know. So this car got a lot of horsepower, He keeps breaking transmissions and drive shafts, and you know, that's what the drive shaft did to the body. So we'll fix that and weld that up. But now we done went with a 4L80, so should be able to be alright. Should be alright this time. Should be alright around. So alright, YouTube, that's where we at as of right now. I'm gonna go ahead and weld the plate in on this side, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the coilovers because I want the frames, I want the rear end to go ahead and be set before I weld this piece on top of the rear end. So all right, man, let me get back started, let me get back working and finish up this frame so we can finish up back here. See y'all in the next clip. What?
Nah, shit, I'm trying to swallow food at the same time.
Boy, lifting a 26 up and over his head. Look at that. That boy strong. I did that all the shit all on myself. In there. Just rub it on the front. Man, that shit crazy, man. These goddamn G-bodies a motherfucker, bro. Alright. Put some lug nuts on it and sit it on the ground. You go down, man. Suspension done and tight. And both the wheels up now. All this been painted black. Suspension been painted black. We gotta paint one more thing, man. That more looking a little ugly, a little rusty. Alright, y'all. That's it. Y'all finna see the stance my guy picked. He wanted his car to sit. But y'all can really kind of see it right there. That's how it's gonna be. Might go down a little bit more. Yeah. Went down a little bit. Oh man, that's perfect, my guy. That motherfucker sitting on top.
No lower, no higher.
Alright, y'all. That's it. Move on to the next step. Had to redo some shit, but got it right this time. Oh, I forgot you gotta do that jump by hand, don't it? Even with it being at an angle?
Yep. Yeah, he done too much at the angle.
Yeah. Well, we're done, y'all. Officially done. We're gonna set it down again. The last clip, coilovers was bent forward too much. So we had to redo some stuff to straighten them back out. So now they straight. And we we good now. Gonna set it back down. There we go, almost to the ground. Same height. You good? That's what you want? Coilover's good? They ain't bending forward? Oh yeah, they good, they good. Huh? Man, we done with this mug. It ain't taking 4 days.
4 days.
And cut the brackets off 2 times. But
And then that, see y'all move ready.
and then now we can move on to the next thing. Done with the rear suspension. Now we'll see y'all in the next clip. Had to go back and fix some shit. Alright, YouTube. Pretty much got everything on the Malibu. Try to make it fast because I only got about 10% on this battery. But got the 4L80 in there. It's shifting. We got all the suspension done. Suspension is good. We got the aluminum drive shaft in there. It's A1. We just missing a little bracket that we got to put on the carburetor to tell the transmission when to shift. But other than that, we get that little bracket, test drive it, going to the exhaust shop, and then to the paint booth. So we ready, man. We ready. Suspension A1, motor A1, transmission A1, He's still trying to decide what he's gonna do with the interior. But yeah, next up is exhaust shop and the paint. So we'll end part 2 here. I give you guys a couple little snippet videos of it running and moving, and then we'll end this part 2. And part 3 we'll pick up at the exhaust shop and the paint. So see y'all in the next clip.